Express root 18 in the form k root 2, where k is an integer. Simplify this and express this in the form of m plus root n, where m and n are integers. So here's the question then, let's have a little look at it. So A part 1, the square root of 18 is equal to the square root of 9 twos, isn't it? Using properties of indices, that would be the square root of 9 times the square root of 2. The square root of 9 is 3, so it's 3 root 2. So k is equal to 3. Part 2. Simplify this then. Root 8 is the square root of 4 times 2 over the square root of 9 times 2 is 18 plus the square root of 16 times 2. Root 4 is 2, so that would be 2 root 2, wouldn't it? This would be root 9 is 3 lots of root 2, and root 16 will be the 4 times the root 2, just as we've done just above in principle. So it's 2 root 2 on top then, and there's 7 root 2's underneath. So the root 2's cancel and we're left with 2 sevenths. So that's part 2. Now part B. So this as m plus root n then. Let's have a look at that. So 7 root 2 minus root 3 over 2 root 2 minus root 3 multiplied by the rationalize the denominator here, more than one term, put a bracket here. So we're going to multiply by 2 root 2 plus root 3, aren't we? Top and bottom. Because we can't change the number, but we can use this trick to remove the awkward surd underneath. So let's have a look then. 7 2s are 14. Root 2 times root 2 is 2. 14 2s then are 28. Next term, 7 root 2 times root 3 is 7 root 6 plus third term minus 2 root 6, and then the last term minus times plus is a minus. Root 3 times root 3 is just 3, isn't it? That's over. And then here with first term 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 is 4 times 2, which is 8. The two middle terms cancel each other out because they're the same, with a plus and a minus. The last term, minus times plus is a minus, and root 3 times root 3 is 3. So we end up with then 28 minus 3 is 25. 7 minus 2 lots of root 6 is equal to 5 lots of root 6 over 5, 8 minus 3. Split the fraction up, 25 over 5 is 5, minus, and then the 5's cancel, and we're just left with the root 6. So here the m was equal to 5. Oh, we're going to get a plus. I've managed to write that as a minus, which is a bit unusual, because it's 7 root 6 minus 2 root 6 is a plus. So this is a plus, isn't it? So sorry about that. So n equals 6, wasn't it? There we are. M is 5, n is 6.